Okay, we're doing the specialist paper from 2023, paper 1, Tech Free. And we're doing question 12. Question 12 is a matrices question, 2 by 2 matrices, a bit of matrix algebra. So we have this matrix equation XA, oh sorry, I'll go back to the black pen, sorry. XA minus XC equals B. So let's factorize the x outside. It's on the left for both. So XA minus C equals B. And then to get x on its own, I'll need to multiply on the right-hand side, A minus C inverse, B, A minus C inverse. So x is equal to B, A minus C inverse. Let's substitute in what we've got. So B is 0, 2, 1, 3. A minus C. 1, negative 2, 1, 2. Take negative 1, 0, 3 to the negative 1. 0, 2, 1, 3 times, now 1, take negative 1, 2, be careful of your negatives. Negative 2 minus negative 1 would be negative 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 3, negative 1. Now I need to multiply it by the inverse. So I need to find that inverse. I'm just going to go down here. Remember from our formula sheet, this is how we find our inverse. So we've got the rule there. So I'm just going to go down the bottom here. I'm going to go 2, negative 1, 1, negative 1, inverse. 1 over 2 times negative 1 takes 1 times negative 1. Following my rule off the rule sheet, these change, negative 1, 2. This becomes positive, this one becomes negative. This will be negative 2 take negative 1. Negative 2 take negative 1. Negative 2 take negative 1. That'll be negative 1. So it's negative 1 outside of negative 1, 1, negative 1, 2, which is going to be 1, negative 1, 1, negative 2. So that was just my little aside. So I now have 0, 2, 1, 3 times 1, negative 1, 1, negative 2. So for here, multiplying my matrices, 1 times 0, or 0 times 1 is 0, plus 2 times 1 is going to give me 2. 0 times negative 1 is 0, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. 1 times 1 is 1, 3 times 1 is 3, it's going to give me 4. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. 3 times negative 2. 1 times negative 1, so negative 1 plus negative 6 is negative 7. And there we go. That is our answer. So they give you marks for putting it through, I think for doing your algebra and getting that to there. Factorizing, then using the, what's the word, inverse. You get a mark for working out the inverse of that matrix. You get a mark for actually working out doing that subtraction, and then you get a mark for your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's your 5 marks there. So showing your algebra that you factorized, that you multiplied by the inverse, you calculated that subtraction, you calculated that inverse, and then you did your final multiplication. That's question 12.